In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish survey in Surveymonkey. We'll start by opening a browser and going to surveymonkey.com. That takes you to the homepage, and from there you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects live. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access all your tools. From the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Survey. This opens the survey builder. To keep things simple and fully under your control, choose Start from Scratch. This option gives you a clean slate and avoids importing any template questions you might not need. Next, add a clear, descriptive title for your survey, something your audience will recognize, and that helps you find it later. Short and specific works best, like customer feedback, March. When you've entered the title, click Save. So your new survey is created and stored. Now it's time to add your first question. Click into the question field and type the exact wording you want respondents to see. Keep it concise and unambiguous so people don't have to guess what you're asking. A quick tip: avoid leading language and double-barreled questions. Ask one thing at a time so answers are reliable. Right beside or below the question text, select the question type. Pick the format that matches what you need. Multiple choice for one selection, check boxes for multiple selections, a comment box for open-ended text, or a rating scale if you want a 1 to 5 style response. Choosing the right type here ensures you'll collect data you can analyze without extra cleanup later. If your question uses predefined choices, add the answer options in the fields provided. Use simple, non-overlapping labels, and make sure you've covered all reasonable possibilities. Keep options consistent in style and order so they're easy to scan. Logical or alphabetical ordering often helps respondents move quickly. Once your question looks good, review it for typos and clarity, then click Save. Saving frequently is a good habit. It preserves your work as you go and prevents accidental losses. When you're ready to make the survey available, look back to the top right area of the builder. You'll see the Publish Survey button. Click Publish Survey. Surveymonkey will take a moment to prepare your survey and confirm that it's live. After publishing, your survey is ready to share. You'll receive a usable link you can distribute wherever your audience is. You can return to this project anytime to add more questions or refine wording, but remember that major edits after collecting responses can affect your results. And that's it. You've created, saved, and published a Surveymonkey survey from scratch.